This is Virgil Elkington, MEC 140 fall quarter. This is lab 7, random blinks. Got a few interesting things for this lab. We're plugged into a COM5 port going to Arduino board, which feeds everything, no batteries or relays or anything involved. On the board here, we've got a couple interesting things. The first interesting thing is this gray thing. It looks like a little chute. What it is that's what I call it, the chute. On one side, I have an LED, a white LED, and on the other side, I have a photoresistor. And the reason I have them in a chute like that is so when the LED gives off its light, it goes in ambient light, background light, and everything else doesn't affect the photoresistor. Otherwise, if the photoresistor is out, it could be triggered by the desk light and everything else, or it might not be triggered fully by the LED. So right now they're next to each other, they're plugged in, and as you see that the LED is just comes off the board to ground. It goes to a resistor here, a 110 ohm resistor going into the LED. The LED goes to ground. So that fires up. And then what happens is the photoresistor absorbs the energy and goes into the analog signal and measures, and the software counts, the programming counts how many bleeps it does. So that's what's happening here. You can see it going from the photoresistor to the analog. And then it's going to analog 0. And then we're getting a digital write from pin 8 over to the signal for the sound making machine. Just a little speaker. And of course, the sound making machine has a positive going to the center, and then a ground going in to ground. I call it a sound making machine, but it's really just a piezoelectric with pins. So what we'll do is we'll activate this lab, and what you'll see is the light will flash. Let me turn off my desk light or dim it down a little bit. So maybe get a little better effect on this. And then it'll count, and then it'll beep. How many flashes? We'll put the monitor on. So let's go here. So I'm letting the program do the talking here. So I'll count the flashes. One beep, 2 beeps, 4, 4, 2, 1, 2, 4, 3, 4. So you can see how that's working. I kind of like that. Now I could adjust the delays to make the pauses longer, all that. But if we could take a look at the random numbers, how it's coming up. I is the count. It goes down to 1. But listen at the light sensing is 1023 in all these, which is very good. We have it set above anything above 700, so it's really picking it up. Well, I'm going to do one other thing on the program when we have it, just to make we have it set for doing a count of 5, but let's take it up to a count of 10, just for giggles. Here we go. We'll set it. Watch the light here. Four, 5, 1, 5. 5. 4. 2. 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6. So I'm showing you that I could program it up to or down to. So it's reading the light and then it beeps off. Interesting project, quite fun. Thank you.